Abhyuday, the social outreach wing of JCRC, brings together multiple student-led initiatives.
Under Abhyuday, four powerful initiatives, Zarurat, Soch, Suhasini, Ashaएं, that comes together with one motive
to uplift. They reflect the heart of JCRC.
Zarurat is a movement rooted with empathy, action, and a belief that education is every child's right. Established in 2011, Zarurat began with a simple vision to provide accessible education to underprivileged children. Since then, we have taught over 3,500 students, preparing many of them for the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exams. Some have gone on to study at the IITs for fulfilling their potential.
Beyond academics, Zarurat believes in holistic development. We host two flagship events over a year. The one is Joy of Giving Week, a 7-day celebration filled with science exhibitions, outdoor visits, and many more. A second major event is Celebrating Innocence, which brings the campus alive through the magic shows, cultural parades, and vibrant cultural performances and creative stalls.
We have also had the honor of welcoming icons such as Nobel laureate Shri Kailash Satyarthi, Padma Shri late Shri D.P. Rao, and Shri Jai Chinyara, whose presence has deeply inspired our mission.
And just like Zarurat nurtures mind through learning, there's another initiative which heals through their services.
For over 20 years, Ashaएं, the Like Saviors, or JCRC initiative, has been answering every call for blood, for SDP, for hope. Sometimes in the middle of lectures, sometimes in the middle of night, but every time with the same spirit. 23,000 lives saved through blood donation and over 3,100 through STP. We have organized blood donation camp, blood group checkups, awareness campaigns on thalassemia. From visiting old age homes to celebrating Felicitation Day, we continue to show up. To truly transform society, we must also empower those who often remain unseen, the women and girls who hold entire communities together. That's where Suhasini steps in.
Suhasini is the voice that rises for those unheard women one step at a time. Rooted in the mission of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Suhasini reaches far beyond the campus, deep into remote villages where access to education, documentation and opportunity often remains out of reach. From helping girls obtain their Aadhaar cards, birth certificates and other documents to spreading awareness about menstrual hygiene and educating their families for a long-term change, Suhasini stands beside them with belief to resolve.
Our roadshow is the heart of it, a celebration of resilience, creativity and awareness. Through different street plays, interactive sessions, through community games, we spark the conversations that lead to transformation. Because every girl deserves a chance, not just to dream, but to rise, to learn and to lead. And when compassion extends beyond the humans and we care for nature, animals and the world around us, it becomes a movement of collective conscience, and that's the spirit of Soch.
Soch is JCRC's official social initiative working under Abhyudaya and rooted in the belief that small act of kindness can create lasting change. Since 2014, Soch has been actively working for the welfare of human, nature and animals. Our team has organized clothes and food donation drives, carried out orphanage visits, and launched several initiatives to promote environmental sustainability. With over 10,000 clothes donated and more than 300 lives impacted through food distribution, we intend on achieving because the mission is limitless. Soch is a reminder that when intent meets effort, impact becomes inevitable.
Whether it's a child gaining access to education, a life saved through blood donation, a girl reclaiming her future, or a community nourished with compassion, Abhyuday's teams are always there. Zarurat, Ashaएं, Suhasini and Soch.
One mission to build a kinder, stronger society, one step at a time.